Why a Chinese doctor warned people to eat one leaf of this plant for 30 days. A single leaf of this plant is worth more than 1,000 treatments, and today it might be the solution to your health problems. Grab a pen and notebook and write down everything you can about this plant. If you're not at home, pay close attention and try to remember it. This is the kind of video that only appears to those who truly need it. Go to a market or flower shop and buy a plant like this one. I'll tell you the name in a moment. First, I want to share all the amazing benefits this plant offers for your life, health, and well-being, and even for treating illnesses. Just by chewing one of these leaves a day, everything can change. And at the end, I'll show you a powerful preparation to eliminate liver fat, an even more medicinal recipe with multiple uses. If you already know the name of this plant, comment below and tell me if you're familiar with it. In a moment, I'll reveal its name. With just one leaf of this plant, you get antimicrobial, expectorant, and bronchodilator properties, not to mention its analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and diuretic effects. It has a wonderful potency as a medicinal herb that you can start using today. Chewing one of these leaves a day helps fight cough, hoarseness, inflammation in the mouth and gums, bad breath, and it even relieves pain as a natural analgesic. In other words, if you suffer from headaches or migraines, this is amazing. Personally, I always look for solutions in medicinal plants first. If those don't work, then I turn to pharmaceuticals. But this plant is truly amazing. It's one of the best natural options for relieving headaches and migraines. It also improves memory and helps with anxiety. It's incredible for anyone feeling stressed or anxious. Chewing one of these leaves daily can help you relax. The best part? It promotes both muscular relaxation and mental clarity. What a fantastic plant. For those who guessed the name, it is mint. It has a super refreshing and delicious taste. It eliminates bad breath, balances female hormones, especially when they're fluctuating or out of sync. And, as if that wasn't enough, it also helps and protects the liver, including when it's intoxicated or fatty. It's a beautiful, powerful plant, a natural pharmacy you can have right in your home, and you can use it by chewing, as oil, juice, or tea. How do you do it? You can chew a mint leaf 3 times a day, once in the morning before coffee, before meals, or at night as part of your relaxing bedtime routine. You can use one leaf a day for the next 30 days to experience all these benefits, especially the plant's medicinal properties that support your health in the best possible way. It truly is a wonderful herb. And how do we know? Because we care about helping you, right to the end of this video. So I'm going to teach you a fantastic tea recipe to detox your liver. Mint recipe to cleanse a fatty liver. Ingredients: 15 mint leaves, 1 lemon, 2 liters of water, honey or sugar to taste. Preparation: place the water and mint leaves in a pot. Boil for 5 minutes and let it sit. Squeeze the lemon, pour the tea into a cup, and sweeten it with 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar. Strain the mint infusion and mix it with lemon juice. Drink this every day for a week. Your liver will thank you. A small plant with huge benefits for your health. I wish all of you good health and knowledge about nature. I'll leave you here with a big kiss. Stay with God.